You're about to witness the safest, quickest and most effective method of cleaning up oil spills in the workplace, using a leading-edge technology that is versatile over a wide range of industrial applications. Today's market for oil spill absorbents is characterized by ever-increasing demands for improved performance and workplace safety, better environmental credentials and low cost of use. Customers, of course, demand the best combination of everything. Introducing Enretech Kleen Sweep, an organic oil and fluid superabsorbent aimed at meeting the needs of today's market. Enretech Kleen Sweep has been engineered for oil spills and to offer improved compliance. It's not simply another mineral, dried clay or sawdust in a bag. What's more, all product performance claims have been independently verified by over 17 accepted international testing procedures, from proof of absorption, environmental and human toxicity to EPA non-leachate testing. This fact has not gone unrecognized, as the absorbent technology used in Enretech Kleen Sweep is in demand with the following domestic and international public companies. So what is it that makes Enretech Kleen Sweep so special and able to outperform others in the market? The answer is provided by a patented process applied to byproducts from the cotton industry. The result is specially formed hollow fibers with a strong capillary action, capable of delivering new levels of superabsorbency. We call this technology fiber lock. Let's look at the performance of Enretech Kleen Sweep compared to some other absorbents commonly used on land-based oil spills. Firstly, we will measure 300 ml of used engine oil for each to absorb, and in this way ensure that the test is fair for each product. The oil is then poured onto a non-porous workshop floor. We then add an equal amount of Enretech Kleen Sweep, which happens to be 250 grams. Next, we will use a dried clay product. But we know dried clay products are cheap to buy, right? So this time we use 10 times the weight of absorbent we used with Enretech Kleen Sweep, indicated here on the measuring container. Once again, that is 10 times the weight of Enretech Kleen Sweep we just used. We continue with the sawdust-based absorbent. The same weight of absorbent is used as Enretech Kleen Sweep. Same again with peat moss, but this time we have used an equal volume to Enretech Kleen Sweep, as peat moss is sold by volume, not weight. Next, we brush backwards and forwards to give each absorbent the best chance to absorb all they are capable of. Using Enretech Kleen Sweep in this way confirms there is plenty of unused absorbent left to dry the floor completely of any slick. Enretech Kleen Sweep does not stick to the floor and brooms over the spill very easily. The broom head is also clean, saving more cleanup time. A simple test for any remaining slick involves pouring some coloured water over the area to see if it beads up, indicating the presence of oil. As you can see, there is no evidence of beading or oil slick. The surface is completely free of any slippery residues. Next, let's review dried clay, or kitty litter as it's commonly known. As you can see, there is still a slick on the floor, clearly evident when a gloved hand pushes over and smears the oil residue, and confirmed here by the coloured water beading up over the oil slick left behind. We encourage customers to try this comparison themselves, but in the meantime, we are confident that a 10 kilogram bag of Enretech Kleen Sweep can perform at least as well as 100 kilograms of dried clay when used to pick up engine oil, as depicted here on a non-porous surface. Compare the costs. Your customers deserve better. We continue with the sawdust-based absorbent. The result is a disaster, a clogged broom head, lots of oil left behind on the floor, again as evidenced by the water test, and a significant amount of free oil on the used absorbent, showing up here on the gloved hand. An equal amount of sawdust absorbent has failed to absorb all of the oil here and dry the floor. Same again with peat moss. Using our standard technique, we have removed the visible oil, but a slick still remains as indicated here when we run a gloved hand through the area of the spill. As you can see, free oil is also visible in the used absorbent. Enretech Kleen Sweep was the only absorbent in this demonstration that absorbed the oil and left the floor completely free of oil slick and safe for immediate use, while using only the same weight of absorbent to oil. Please note that we make the offer to any of our customers to repeat this test to verify its authenticity. Using an absorbent that does not dry the floor properly will cost your customers much more than the cost per bag and will increase their risk of slip injuries. There are the additional absorbent costs from using more, and also the cost of extra man hours, as well as additional materials such as solvents and cleaning cloths. Storage, transport and disposal costs will also be magnified, especially when you are using over 10 times the physical weight or volume of Enretech Kleen Sweep. Bottom line is this: the real cost of the absorbent is not the cost per bag. Customers need a product that will do the job efficiently, dry the floor in one step, while complying with state and federal EPA laws. Outright absorbency and cost efficiency are not the only benefits Enretech Kleen Sweep will deliver. Let's look at some other important safety and environmental issues. Enretech Kleen Sweep is non-toxic, non-abrasive, non-carcinogenic, and is harmless to animals, plants, aquatic or human life. Enretech Kleen Sweep is also safe for the environment. It is non-flammable, biodegradable and confirmed in testing to reduce vapors, an important safety asset when absorbing flammable liquid spills. Enretech Kleen Sweep also has a new anti-dust formula. This makes it less likely to blow around in outdoor situations. Let's see how it performs in a simple drop test versus peat moss. When equal volumes are dropped from waist height, the Enretech Kleen Sweep on the left occupies only 20% of the area of peat on the floor. Enretech Kleen Sweep not only delivers improved absorbency for a lower cost of use, it is free from all of the flaws that affect mineral-based and common wood fibre absorbents on the market today. It will dry the floor in one simple step. It is safe to use and improves worker safety. It is safe for the environment and passes 5 separate EPA tests. Take the opportunity to test our claims that Enretech Kleen Sweep is the market leader in absorbency and will save you money.